how to set up BitLocker encryption on Windows. So if you want to set up BitLocker encryption on Windows, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your search. Under search, you need to search for local group policy editor, or you can simply search for edit group policy. Open it up. Once you open that, you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with computer configuration, and under that you need to enlarge the administrative templates and go with the Windows components. Under Windows components, now here you will have an option of BitLocker drive encryption. You need to open that, and here you need to go with operating system drives, and on the right side you will have an option of require additional authentication at startup. You need to simply double click on that. Once you double click on that, you will get a new kind of interface where you just need to simply go with enabled. Make sure that this option is turned on or ticked, and then go with apply and OK. And after that, you need to go with control panel. Search for control panel. Once you open up your control panel, go with system and security. And here you will have an option of BitLocker drive encryption. Click on that. And here you will have turn on BitLocker. Simply click on turn on BitLocker and it will start the BitLocker, and you will get a few options. So in my case, I have 3 options, but if you have 2 options, which is insert a USB flash drive or enter a password, then what you need to do is just go with enter a password option. And once you enter your password, you just need to simply go with continue and click on save to a file option. Choose a path to save the recovery key file on your PC, and after that click on save button. Go with next and make sure that the encrypt used disk space only is selected, and then click on the next button again, and make sure that the run BitLocker system is checked, and after that go with continue, and you will see a notification that the BitLocker will activate after restarting your PC. So you just need to simply go with restart, and after restarting you'll set up the BitLocker encryption on your Windows. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.